reporting in need is a good citizen indeed. Hey guys, welcome back to Cyber Peace TV. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic related to cybersecurity. The younger generation has experienced the consequences of misleading content on the internet. To create a safer online experience, below are a few strategies to manage our online presence with safety and precision. Statistics have proved 77% of young people have stated the importance of being online and the amount of joy that they receive from it. Due to the lockdown, 65% of the youth was engaged in online classes and courses. 43% of young people have noticed their companions or friends circulating misleading content and fake news. 62% of young people have received friend requests from unknown sources. Let's now talk about exposure to misleading content. The younger generation ranging from 8 to 17 years has been surveyed, and the end result proves that they have enjoyed being online for the entirety of 2020. 65% of the youth have attended online classes and activities during lockdowns. 51% of young people have encountered online misleading content at a stretch. Besides, 24% of the generation has come across such content at least 2 to 5 times a day. The research sheds light on the fact how the youth falls for misleading content online, be it interaction, games, persuasive ads, or edited images on social media. The fact that 62% of the social media users' youth receives unknown friend requests shows how important it is for this generation to scrutinize their safety, decisions they make online, and how they manage their social sites. In terms of reaction, response, and reporting content, insights have proved that 25% of young people have admitted to sharing online content through various unverified sources. 43% of the youth have witnessed their friends and peers sharing misleading online content as well. Coming to bloggers and social media influencers, it has been noticed that 35% of fake news has been circulated through their handles. 58% of young people have acknowledged the fact that sharing misleading online content could be harmful, while others did not recognize the need of the hour. The real deal is that the youth realizes that sharing misleading content on the internet can be harmful as well as unethical. Although a pessimistic side would be that 91% of the youth either gets angry, sad, or feels attacked while encountering misleading content. We have to come together for a better internet. It is needless to say that everybody in the society, be it parents, children, students, teachers, governments, politicians, teenagers, celebrities, etc., have a distinct role to play in order to keep the cyberspace safe and a better place to dwell in. While most of the youth should be aware of the misleading content online, it is also important to enlighten our family members about the same and report it if they share something of this sort. Young people should also learn how to spot such content and report them if it seems misleading. The internet brings together millions of people, schools, and organizations across the world to discuss online safety and what to trust online. It is our duty to ensure a better and safe cyber experience for us and others. For any assistance, do reach out to our WhatsApp helpline number 957 000 0066. Thank you so much for watching Cyber Peace TV. We will see you soon in the next episode.